Hello, good day, gentlemen. Welcome to Oliver Hobby. I'm Oliver. Here, let's see about these three Bulldozer, most popular one. That's pretty new from MD model. That's the D7 and D3 and the DXR2 from JDM Model. So this one from JDM Model, it was built almost now 15 years. So this one so long time. A lot of people have it. And for this D3, now been building and selling around 1.5 years. This one only just come around 3 months. And for all of them, metal one, this one most all actually except the track and blade. Other parts, almost every part are making by CNC aluminum. But this one, except this engine cover and the cabin, other parts almost all making by laser cutting and welding steel plate. And this one, most of the parts also is laser cutting and welding steel plates. As you know, for the pushing power, how much power you can push, how much dirt you can push, mainly depending on the weight. So you have more weight, as long as the motor gearbox have enough power, you have the friction power to push it. Yeah. So this one, because it's so light, only 6 kg. Yeah. So because mostly are aluminum, even have the stainless this steel track, but 6 kg weight. Mostly you can only push very soft dirt and sand like this one. This one double the weight, 12 kg. So soft dirt with a little rocks you still can push, but this one 25 kg. Even a little bit hard rocks with soil, sand, a little bit hard, you still can push. As for the hydraulic functions, this one simple, only one valve. This one 4 valve, ripper 1, blade tilting left and right, turning left and right, up and down, 4 valve. And this one also 4 valve. 2 for the ripper, in and out, up and down, and blade tilting and blade up and down, 4-channel control. So they all have light and sound. Let's see the structure difference. Now this D7 and D3, they all have the drive wheel at the rear side. But the difference is this wheel and motor is from the chassis middle position. Yeah? But this one, you have drive wheel from the side, but the motor is inside with portal connection. So means drive wheel is lower than the motor, so you have a little more ground clearance. Remember, all these bulldozers, they are not waterproof, so the motor for drive cannot be sink into the water. Otherwise, if you have water flow in, may get short circuit and burned. So you can drive on mud, but only very little water you can drive from the chassis. Yeah? So don't get the water level in the drive wheel middle, yeah. So could flow inside, burn the motor. And now this one, we have one for the valve control for the blade, only 1 channel. 1 pump, 1 valve. And sound start, go. Climbing on. This D7 is 1:14 scale. And it's so neat with fine design. As you will see, I have the disassemble video. You can see the inside structure. So very fine design, easy disassemble, easy maintenance, and with beautiful CNC aluminum parts. It's pushing this sticky sand so smoothly. Digging down a little bit more. Down. And the driving speed is quite okay, as this looking of the outer looking, yeah, it's so old style. It's very cute one, yeah. Slowly. For the D3, sound start when you start to drive. And if you want sound off, only you wait, you not drive. After maybe 20 seconds, the sound will go off. This one, let's see the hydraulic functions. 4-channel control, 4 hydraulic functions with ripper. Now let's see how this one can push. So first is the simple one, blade up and down. Going down more, to push more. Already eat into the sand, slippery. Well, that's a lot of sand. The sand is curving like a wave here. And turn around, we can see this blade. You can tilting left and right. And one more thing is, so swing left and right. The most angle, the dead angle, let's see. Yeah, that's the most turning angle. Now turn around, let's pushing to left side. Oh, that's so deep. Let's see how the ripper can move. Going down all the way, pushing into the sand. Already rising the chassis, rising. And let's see how this one can ripping into the sand. Go down. Move up a little bit, already acting like bulldozer, pushing the sand forward. Now it's okay. Down. Well, up. And drive away. Slowly. That's very smooth, easy control one. Here comes the most big one, 25 kg with big blade. It must be can pushing a lot more sand. And pushing it down, start the pump. Now I didn't set up the mix control. Yeah, that's tilting left and right, make it horizontal. And pushing down. Go. That's a full bucket of sand. Curve forward, slow push. Down, down, more. Slow drive. Well, that's a lot. Okay, now let's see the ripper. Turn around, show you. So the ripper 2 motion. Start the pump. One is in and out. That's already maximum range. And now in the middle, let's see the ripper up and down. All the way and up. Turn around. Let's dig into the sand to see. And rising the blade. Let's go. That's very easy. Repeat and up a little bit. Adjusting the angle. Adjusting again. Down. Continue. and rising. That's how this Reaper can move it. High speed. Okay, that's this Bulldozer from JDM Model, the DXR2. Slowly down. D7 and DXR2, they are 1:14 scale, but D3 is 1:12 scale because inside 4-valve pump and also control system, it's too tiny space for 1:14. So 1:12, what the hydraulic system now have, it's already fitting well. And if you like more options for Bulldozer, now what we have, another one is from same JDM Model, the D575 Bulldozer, big one. And also another heavy big one is the customized D155 Bulldozer. Another one very beautiful and with smart control is coming, is from Frog, is the 776 Bulldozer. Soon I should have it. Thank you for watching, gentlemen. There are many videos I already made for these models. What you like to see, ask me. I will send you the video link. If I not make the video yet, what you like to see, tell me. I will try get the model, make the video to show you. And welcome to my oliverhobby.com website to choose your favorite RC models. Always at your service. See you, gentlemen.